But I was only there for a couple of days. I was off to Seoul for the first of the events that I would attend for the Sewol 10-year anniversary. The first one was in the City Hall area of Seoul. It was the Saturday, the 13th of April, the last Saturday before the 16th of April. There was a huge turnout. There were stalls, displays, announcements, dancing, crafts, and just a great atmosphere, despite the subject matter. My afternoon, and whilst in the City Hall area, wouldn't be over without me at least paying a revisit to the 2022 Itaewon Tragedy Memorial. This revisit of mine to that memorial, to that altar, will actually be my last, because on a later visit that year, the Itaewon Tragedy Memorial will have moved.